In this video, I will show you how you can earn up to $900 or more using ChatGPT. The process is simple. Head off to ChatGPT and type right. When it's done, copy, paste, deliver, and get paid immediately. But I want you to have realistic expectations and know that this method is only to help you earn extra money to boost your income, and not something that will make you rich overnight. By the end of the video, you will learn how to be unique and get quality results to stand out from the crazy number of people currently using ChatGPT. So make sure to watch until the end to achieve maximum results. Before I tell you how to start making money with ChatGPT, let me quickly explain how this unique technology works for those who don't know. ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and the built-in AI chatbot generates text based on written prompts in an advanced and creative way. You can type anything in the chat as if you were chatting with a friend, and the AI chatbot will give you a detailed answer in seconds. For example, let's ask the chatbot to summarize the book Atomic Habits, which usually costs up to $100 to do. But now, thanks to ChatGPT, you only need one click to get a summarized book in seconds. Can you imagine how much time and money we can save? At the same time, can you imagine the opportunities of making money using ChatGPT? Now let's start. If you go to Fiverr.com, one of the biggest freelance marketplaces worldwide, you will notice that the book/ebook writing service is currently popular, and it has limited competition compared to other services. Because, as you know, becoming a good copywriter takes a lot of time and experience. That's why you'll find people who will charge up to $100 an hour for different copywriting services. But don't worry, you don't have to spend years learning copywriting skills. Instead, we will use ChatGPT to do the hard work for us.
What?
Let's say your client needs an ebook about habits control. All you need to do is head to chat.openai.com and let the chatbot write the book for you. And here is where most people fail. Because even if ChatGPT is super smart with the answers, you still have to be specific and creative in how you lead the chat. So please don't ask the chatbot to write an ebook, and that's it. No, split the process into different stages to get high quality results. Let me show you what I mean by that. So again, we need to write an ebook about habits control. The first thing we have to do is generate a name for that book. So we start by asking the chatbot to give us some options. Once you have a name for your book, we can move on to the base of every book, the outline structure or the book's content. As you can see, we now have a base from which we can start. All you need to do is start section by section based on the generated outline structure. Keep in mind that the process might take some time, but it will generate a professionally written ebook and will guarantee you stand out from the crowd. If you want me to share more methods of making money using ChatGPT, let me know in the comments. And if you find the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, as this helps me produce more videos and provide more valuable information. That was it for today's video, and always remember, the longer you're not taking action, the more money you're losing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.